Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the console and the app, power it on, sign into the account, and make sure the system update finished. Once done, insert the disk or start the download and choose wired networking for a steady install. This reduces patch failures. You want at least 10% free storage, otherwise install will pause. While installing, open the game's store page to verify required optional downloads and preload content so that when the app launches, you can proceed immediately. You now enter the game settings to configure how it runs and feels. Start with display options, set resolution, HDR, and aspect scaling so visuals are accurate. Next, remap controls and calibrate analog dead zones, save a profile so you can revert quickly. Then decide between frame rate priority or higher graphical detail. Pick what feels responsive to you. Once configured, complete the tutorial and make short test runs to confirm input latency and visual clarity are acceptable before longer sessions. You finish by syncing saves and enabling cloud backup so progress is protected. Make sure auto updates are scheduled during idle hours and remove unused DLC to keep free space healthy. Once satisfied, create local restore points if the console supports them, and join multiplayer lobbies with the correct NAT type. If the app crashes or stalls, clear the system cache, reinstall the game, and test a wired connection. These steps usually resolve corruption or network.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.